Good morning, campers. We got a big old bit of fat rain. Forecasting torrential. We'll just have to see what happens, eh? There's a big old fat rain at the moment. We'll see if we can snag something. Right there, got a fish on. Solid beastie. Let's just turn the drag up a little bit. I let him go. Been heavy showers going through, very heavy rain last night. Rightio, there's a nice fat jack. Rightio. There's a scrumptious delissimo jack. Only a little wee short hook in his jaw. It's bleeding a bit in the mouth where I took the hook out, but he'll be okay. 5.5 pounds. Looks like a wild fish. It's got all of its fins. No wearing on the top of the dorsal from the hatchery. The fins are lovely and orangey red, so the flesh will be absolutely gorgeous. Every day is a good day to go fishing, especially when you catch fish like this.